Hello, my name is Brian Hart, and today I will be showing you how to create a book cover using Photoshop Elements Editor. So if you can see where my cursor is blinking here, the first thing you'll want to do is create a name. So we'll go ahead and type in book cover. Another important thing that you need to do is to set the width and the height. So the width for the book cover is going to be 5.5 inches and the height will be 8.5 inches, and that's standard ebook formatting. Then I will go ahead and click OK. It formats the book cover for me. Now you have a variety of different fonts, you have a variety of different pictures that you can choose, but I'm just going to go ahead and use standard backgrounds here, some of the choices that we have actually within Photoshop. Because these are built into the program, there isn't any cost for these. If you wanted to incorporate your own pictures, your own stock photo, for example, you want to make sure that if you pay for the photo that it is royalty free. So I'll just scroll down here and find a snazzy looking picture for the cover. And then I can grab it and drag it. Okay, so I've got a basic background for my book cover. Okay, the next thing you are going to want to do is insert text. So I'll come over here on the left side where you can see my cursor is here, and I click on text. And that will give me the ability to create a text box. Okay, so you can see now my cursor is here. I can go ahead and create a box for size, and now I can go ahead and choose on the left side over here where my cursor arrow is. I can choose color, I can choose the font style down here, a variety of different fonts, so I can click on Arial. How do I like that? Let's see, what color do I want? I want to go with white since it's a dark background. So come back up here. My book title is The Prudent Student. Okay, so I go ahead and drag it out here a little bit more. If I don't like how that looks, I can move it more towards the center. You can grab it on the sides and pull it down, or widen it by going to the side. Okay, so let's say I'm not quite happy with how that looks. So if I want to change the font, I can just highlight the whole thing and just change the font size. So let's go with 18. 18 is too small. 36, getting better. And now that I have a basic layout, I can play around with that layout, move it around in any direction I want. What I'll do next will be to insert another photo on top of that. So if I want to go over and grab another photo and layer it, I can grab the photo, drop it on over the top. Okay, so I can change it that way. And now let's say I want to move that around. I can grab it and pull it down. Or bring it back up. Move it left to right. But I'm reasonably happy with that. Okay, so now that I've got it to a good state here, I have a choice of accepting the changes, so I can go ahead and click the arrow. And I will go ahead and shrink the box now. which will enable me to add another box if I want to. So I can type within the same box, or I can add another box. But what I'm going to do here, purpose of representation, I'll go ahead and click another box just to show you you can add text in different places. So down here I can add my name. So again, I want to go with the white. I want to go with the same font. I could change the font if I wanted to. And for formality's sake, we'll go ahead and put in titles. So I'm Dr. Brian Hart. My book title is The Prudent Student. So if I want to do something different, if I don't think white looks right, I can easily change that by changing the color. You can layer it if you wanted to. So we'll just play around with a layer here. Let's go ahead and put in a darker color, the new color, and if I wanted to put in something else, a picture, I grab these train tracks right here. And I can change it again. So there you see it. There you have it. Really, it's just your choice as far as the formatting, your choice as far as what you like, what you don't. Obviously, you want to have the title fit the book cover. So if you want to go with something other than a standard photo that's within actual Photoshop, you're going to have to go out and find a stock photo or something that you could use to insert. So you can easily upload and insert pictures. So there it is. There you have it. That's my standard book cover presentation. And if you enjoyed it, feel free to like it on Facebook. I hope you have a great day.